Hello guys. Hello guys. So today I've just come here to prepare for this room where the kids are gonna come and study from. And as you can see, I have a lot of things up there. Those are the pillows that have been given by our friends, and we really thank them for that. So I'm going to try and see how I can make this flow. So far, we don't have mats, but I'm going to use a polythene paper to start with as we wait. Maybe God to give us, people who can support us uh, to buy, some mats. So I'm going to sweep so that at least I can make it clear and clean for these kids to sit, and you'll see what happens. Okay, clean with me. So okay, I'm almost done, and if you're there and you can support us with the mats, we need like 4 mats, and the mats I'm talking about are nylon that can last about like 3 years or so, and these mats are going to help us to make the seating arrangement for these kids comfortable, because we've been using this floor the way you see it, the way it is. It's so good that we have this floor, but sometimes when it's so hot, there's a lot of dust. So, and I want the kids to feel better when they are reading, and without God, so far so good. And as you can see, I've just poured some water to make it not too much dust coming up. Yeah, so we need like 4 mats. Each mat is between 1500 Kenyan shillings to 2000. So if we can get 8000 or 6, we can fix that so fast, so that at least, yeah, these kids are happy. And when we are serving them, we are serving God also. So if you're there and you'd like to support us, can reach out to us in all our social media, LEAP, Lake Elementary Educational Program, and we would really, really appreciate your support. We also need items like footballs, skipping ropes, and any other game item that you might have and you're using. We also need like things to do with food, both dry and quick food, so that, because most of the kids we have here come from the very poor background, so sometimes they even don't eat. So what we have to do is just to provide a little bit to keep them awake when they are doing studies. We also need a lot of storybooks, and also Kenyan publishers. We are calling upon you to support us with any revision materials like KLB, encyclopedias, chemistry, English, whatever you have. If you're there and you're not using those materials, please guys, we really need your support. So far, we thank God we have those pillows. The reason as to why we cannot put them on the floor is because we don't have mats yet. So if you're there and you can really support us, God bless you. Please reach out to us at Lake Elementator Educational Program at gmail.com. Or you can call us through 011 7000, sorry, 01172, sorry, 011 that 7002, and God will bless you. God will really bless you. We really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Let me continue doing the cleaning. And as you can see, now I'm done, and I really enjoyed doing this. And yeah, the next part is going to put the polythene on the floor, yeah, to make it look more better for the kids to come and enjoy it. So okay, let's go on. Okay, thank you very much guys.